Hello and welcome to issue 61 of Build Your Own 3D Printer, issue 61 of 3D Create and Print. So let's take a look at what we've got this week. Usual web access code 547828. Now for the last 4 weeks, last month, I've been typing that access code and I haven't been getting the design files, so I don't know if they will come up this week, so we shall see. Using recycling filament. Don't throw away that empty plastic water bottle, print with it. By using recycled filament made from post-consumer waste, you can turn water bottles such as these into beautiful, durable and colourful objects, from wearable fashion to home decor and accessories. So if you're doing this 3D printer, got any plastic bottles, keep them. I suppose you can melt them down somehow maybe. First, bad news. Collectively, we have a reckless damn the consequences attitude to plastic worldwide. We make nearly 300 million tons of stuff each year, chiefly from fossil fuels. A little is burnt for energy and about 10% is recycled. Most of it ends up in landfills where it takes centuries to decompose, or in the ocean where it harms sea life. Well, that's no good. The 3D print industry now offers several ways to recycle and reuse. Well, that's good news. Extrude your own. To do this, you need an extruder. This and its desktop machine that feeds and noodles through a heated chamber where they are softened into goo, which is then squeezed out through a noodle and drawn into a filament, which is then cooled into a firm. Some extruders wind the filament into spools, others require a perch of a spooler. Okay, grind your own. For the ultimate DIY, turn your home into a mini recycling centre and shredding your own plastic waste, feeding into your extruder. Oh, that's a good idea. Resin. I've got different types of plastic. PET 01, PEHD, which is 02, PVC 03, PELD 04, PP 05, PS 06 and 007. It's different types of plastic. Mobile Mini Factory. This Japanese person, Kam Kaya-yu, I hope that's how you pronounce it, is the enterprising co-founder of a designer studio in Taiwan, making turn rubbish into art. He created a mobile fab bicycle fitted with a computer grinder, extruder and 3D printer on the front. Oh, that's good. Okay. Modelling tableware part 2. Shaping a mug. Oh yeah, I think last one was a plate I think we'd done, and a bowl. Oh, this is a bit like SketchUp. Done a plate and a bowl, maybe a cup I think done in SketchUp, but this is a different program. Blender. Okay, so this is doing a cup, rounding things out, making cup. Okay. Now this is going to be really, I'm not doing anything this week, because all I've got is that, and you can just see that plastic. There are 4 screws, and it's asking, it says keep the roller holder bracket in a safe place until it can be assembled with the parts supplied with the next issue. So I suppose, so all that does, I think I think, I think it goes that way round, like that, and it's got the 4 screws there to screw it on. So imagine the plastic not there, but that's what basically it looks like. So let's pretend I've done, hey look what I've just done. Ignore the plastic wrapping on it, that's just for to keep the dust off it, that's a dust protector. So yeah, that was nice, quick and simple. The roller holder bracket is a steel angle bracket that will be fitted into the square recessed, well that's what now, there's a great square recess, you see, that, so that fits like that. Recess in the top, in the rear top plate, the roller holder will support the core of the filament drum. Both of these items will be assembled and fitted into printing in the next issue. There you go. So that, the next issue, part Victor 3 part. See, that's what we've got this week. And that's what we're going to get next week. So you can see there's 2 holes there. Can you see them 2 holes there? So that will fit and screw into those where those 2 holes. So there'll be another metal holder bit going out there. You can see or have I got that the wrong way round? Actually, might even go, according to that picture, might even go that way round. According to that picture, it goes that way round. That'd make more sense, I think. I think it keep it away from this bit here goes down, up and down. So I suppose if it went that way, the roller might get in the way. So this is, yeah, that makes sense. Go back the way around, okay. Stereograph set part 1. Classic toy interlocking rings and toggled parts or gears to create intersecting geometric patterns. A 118 dB whistle, perfect for hikers and rugged outdoor styles. This survival whistle might just save your life. Lots of thought and effort went into the design of this. Okay, honeycomb pen holder. Stylish pen holder that will look good on any work surface. Okay, lots of this week. iPhone stand 6. Perfect for holding your iPhone. This classic art light will keep your hands free. The 3D print toolbox. Blender 3D print toolbox, a useful add-on that will help you ensure that keep your model is printable. So that's it really, pretty quick. That's it, not doing anything. I think they've done this before where when they said they had to keep parts, I can't remember what parts it was now. I think it was but there were some parts where they said, I remember, maybe it's like making this section here. They like you had to keep parts because once you got all there's like about 3 issues where you had to keep all the bits together and then you could make them all together. So anyway, so that's that. Not in doing anything this week, just showing you where that bit goes, which is the roller holder. This is called the roller holder, going that way. So that's pretty much it. USB port there. That's the main switch there. On off switch there. So that's it. So thanks for watching. And see you in the next issue. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video. Thank you. Take care. Bye.